にちは。今日は動物園の紹介をします。イエーイ Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how much I love going to Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary and why you should go too. Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary opened in 1947, which is 73 years ago. It is one of the Gold Coast's favorite places to visit. There are daily shows like bird shows, crocodile shows, Aboriginal dance show, and more. There are lots of koalas to see, and you can even take a photo with them. So many kangaroos to see. And you can pet and feed them too. There are many Australian native animals like emus and cassowaries, Tasmanian devils, echidnas, tree kangaroos, wombats and more. There are lots of reptiles too, like crocodiles and snakes and iguanas. There is so much to see and do because this place is huge. They even have a train. You can ride this if you get tired. The Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary also has a hospital for animals with over 11,000 patients every year. I really want to go to the new water park that opened last year in December. It has water jets, streams and waterfalls, and it also has a spider web, flying fox and lots of things to climb. I think this is the perfect place to go next weekend. Thank you for listening. みんなわかったかな？ぜひ行ってみてね。